Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a narrow niche and picking 3 content pillars. This reduces scatter and helps the algorithm understand you. Once done, script 4 short, high-impact videos that open with a 1-3-second hook and deliver clear value, then end each with a direct subscribe CTA. Make thumbnails and titles before recording so you can batch. Upload 3 videos within 7 days to seed momentum. You want watch history patterns, not sporadic drops. Now, focus on optimization and distribution so views convert to subscribers. You should craft titles around intent and 1 primary keyword, and write descriptions with timestamps and 3 topical hashtags. Make the first 10 seconds count. Use a fast-paced hook, then deliver continuous value for 6-12 minutes so watch time climbs. Once done, deploy a short clipped from the best moment, pin a community post, and send 1 email blast. These actions amplify exposure and funnel viewers back to your long-form content. To finish, convert momentum into sustained subs by auditing performance and iterating quickly. Check audience retention and identify the exact timestamp where viewers drop, then rework your hook or pacing in new uploads. You should /B test 3 thumbnails and 2 CTA scripts across 2 weeks to find what nudges clicks and subs. If growth stalls, pause uploads, audit 6 recent videos for consistency issues, then relaunch with revised thumbnails, tighter hooks, and 1 promotional push to restart the algorithm signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.